Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Nintendo Switch error code 2181409. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to manually check for game updates. However, other online features like accessing the shop, playing Fortnite, or downloading games still work. According to our research, the error may happen due to a connection issue or an outdated Nintendo Switch system. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to turn off your Nintendo Switch completely and then turn it back on. Simply hold down the power button and select Power Options, then choose Turn Off. Then wait for a moment and turn it back on and check if the error still comes. If the error still continues, then try disconnecting and reconnecting to the internet. Simply open your network settings and remove the saved network, then reconnect to it and enter the password again. And check if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then power cycle your internet. Simply turn off your router and unplug it from the power source. Then wait a few minutes, then plug it back in and turn it on. Then check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then check if you need to update your Nintendo Switch. Simply go to System Settings and select System and choose System Update. Then install any available updates and check if this resolves the error. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.